Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a shipping address in the Remix application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then in the settings section, look for the shipping address button and just click on that. And then just click on this plus sign to add an address. So first you have to choose if you want to set your own address or a Sprinter address. Then you have to write your last name and your first name, and then you have to type in your phone number here, and then you have to set the country as well, and you have to set the region, but that's optional. You have to set your city and your postcode as well, your street and the house number, and then you can further add door, like specify it, and you can further add other address details if you want to. And once you're done with everything, you can just click on the confirm button, and your address is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.